Hey guys, welcome back to my channel This and That. In today's video, we will be making this beautiful crushed kite paper flowers. If you are new here or haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing and hit the bell button so that you never miss any update. So let's get started. You have to start by folding your kite paper sheet into multiple layers. We will be needing about 8 to 10 layers. Next, you have to draw and cut out a circle of any size. Remember, the size of the circle will determine the size of your flower. Now, you have to fix the center of the flower and staple it. Folding the kite paper sheet into multiple layers and then cutting it has helped us in getting multiple circle cutouts just in one go. Start crushing each circle layer by layer. Make sure you are following some pattern while crushing so that you don't make your flower look shabby. Once you're done crushing all the layers, open them up gently, layer by layer. Here is our flower ready. Let's stick a thermocol ball to make it a little more beautiful. Now, for making the stem, take a green paper and cut out a strip. Next, we are going to glue this strip to a piece of stick. Now that the stick is ready, let's stick it to our flower. Here is our flower ready. Try making these flowers in a bunch of different colors. They all look pretty.